What's going on, everyone, and welcome back to the Ghouls Gaming and Tech channel. And it is that feel-good time of the year, and it's only right and only fitting that we get a Tesla holiday update. Now, there has been a massive leak on what's rumored to be included in this Tesla update that's coming this holiday season, and if you want to know that information, this video is for you. Before we get into that, make sure if you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button. It's definitely appreciated, and if you're new or returning, definitely hit that like button. That's appreciated as well. It's the holiday season, and it is just fitting that Tesla is going to be dropping a massive holiday update. Now, their previous massive holiday update was an eye catcher, to say the least. We had plenty of things when it comes to the light show, the actual Christmas jingle that came with it, and some different aesthetic and software things that came with the actual touchscreen inside of the vehicle. So let's touch base on what this update might reveal. So right now we're on the notateslaapp.com, where they recently dropped an article on December 9th saying the Tesla holiday update will add these features to the Tesla app. Now, if you're a Tesla owner, you might be interested in some of these features. I know I am personally. One feature that they will be updating is the light show control. No longer will you have to get in the vehicle and scroll through the screen to find the light show. Now Tesla owners can activate the fan favorite from the app. This is very convenient because it was kind of awkward getting in the vehicle, pressing the button, waiting till all the doors are closed and getting out, and then waiting on the light show to start. It would make sense for this just to be convenient from the phone. You just close all the doors, press the button on the app, and watch the light show. Now, in addition to this, they advise that there might be a new Christmas jingle with this feature, so I'm excited to see what song they're going to choose. Now, another update, it says Tesla emissions increase. So if you're familiar with the Tesla app and some of the features as far as in the vehicle, you know that Tesla has this farting app or farting feature. Now this feature will now be coming to the phone and the Tesla app. So if you have kids or friends that get in the car and you like playing with the little whoopee cushion feature, you can now activate this from your phone, which is from the app. Now, one more significant update is the dog mode supervision. It will now allow you to use that cabin camera to actually check on your four-legged friends. Now, this will work jointly with the Sentry mode, but it just will allow you to access that cabin camera. So this could be useful for just watching your dog or just checking in on your vehicle on the inside, whether you left someone in there or you just want to check on it for security purposes. With that being said, I'm pretty sure Tesla is going to roll out many more features with this massive holiday update. I don't think it will just be limited to these three discussed today. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. You guys know, as always, I like to keep these videos short and sweet, get you the information as quick as possible, and allow you to go on your day. Thank you guys for tuning in. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.